So I just came across this USB pdsink library for embedded devices, and wow, it really simplifies power delivery projects.
Right? It's fascinating how it focuses on common needs while keeping the core free of platform dependencies.
Exactly, but I'm curious, how does it handle more complex scenarios like source roles or alternate modes?
Good question. It seems like those features are not supported, which could be limiting for some projects.
I hadn't thought about that. It's like having a great toolbox but missing the key tools you need sometimes.
Exactly. And while the simplicity is appealing, I wonder if users might find that frustrating.
Right? Like if you need to switch roles in your project and the library just can't handle it.
Yeah, that would definitely require either looking for other libraries or building a workaround.
Speaking of workarounds, I noticed it integrates with ETL but doesn't pin a version. Isn't that risky?
It definitely has its risks. Without version pinning, you might run into compatibility issues.
Exactly, it's like saying, good luck keeping it stable. What if the underlying library updates?
Right? Stability is key, especially for embedded systems where reliability is critical.
It's interesting that they emphasize ease of use. I guess they're betting on users being okay with those trade-offs.
Yeah, I suppose there's a fine line between simplicity and functionality. Users might have mixed feelings.
Totally, and speaking of mixed feelings, I found it surprising they don't support the source role.
That was unexpected. It makes you wonder what their target audience is. Power sinks only.
Right? It's almost like they're carving out a niche, but at what cost to broader usability?
Exactly. They highlight support for SPR and EPR modes, which could be a strong selling point.
True, but it also raises questions about how many projects actually need those specific modes.
That's the tricky part. For some users, the features might be overkill while others find them essential.
And then there's the documentation. They link to various external projects for references.
That's great for learning, but it might feel a bit scattered. Users might want a more cohesive guide.
Absolutely, it's like they're sending you on a treasure hunt instead of presenting a clear path.
Haha, yes. And what about the community aspect? It seems they're aiming for collaboration.
For sure, but community support varies. Some might find great help while others get lost.
That's a good point. It's like relying on a group project where not everyone pulls their weight.
Totally, users could end up feeling isolated if the community isn't active.
And that isolation could really impact how effective the library is for real-world applications.
Exactly, I mean, it's fascinating, but it also highlights the importance of user support.
Yes, so in the end, it's a balance between niche specialization and broad usability.
Definitely, it's like deciding whether to build a Swiss Army knife or a single-purpose tool.
And it's interesting how each choice shapes the experience for different users.
Exactly, I think that's what makes the discussion around it so rich and layered.
Definitely, it challenges us to think about what we truly need in embedded systems.
And it also opens up questions about future developments in power delivery frameworks.
For sure, I wonder what innovations could emerge if they expanded their feature set.
That's exciting to think about, but what if they stick to this limited scope?
Then they might miss out on a lot of potential users and applications.
Exactly, it's such a balancing act between focus and flexibility.
Absolutely. So, it sounds like while this library shines in certain areas, it has its caveats.
Definitely, it's a fascinating look at how tech can sometimes limit itself.
And that's what keeps the conversation going. What will future libraries learn from this?
Right? It'll be interesting to see how the landscape evolves based on user feedback.
Exactly. And I think that's a crucial part of any development process, listening to users.
For sure, this discussion has been enlightening, and I can't wait to explore more on this.
Me too. There's always something new to discover in the world of tech.